Christie, and along with Jan Taylor and Richard Norton, we get the huge privilege of getting to work with these kids all year long. How lucky are we? Yes? And just so you know, we totally can do all of those dances. Yes. Just real quick, we want to say a huge thank you to Sam and Ethan doing our music and live. Mr. Gale. Glenn's daughter Gail used to be our dance team captain, and Glenn Caston has come out of retirement to videotape the show for all of our families. Jenny Lisenby, our photographer, her daughter too, Jody, used to be on the dance team lots of years ago, and she comes back from her just for her love of all these kids to take pictures for us that she will share with all of you. So thank you. Thank you. Tonight. This is so much fun. We want to honor hugely our team captain.